Hello friends, today I would like to share with you a message which I feel is a very important message. As a prank, a classmate stuck a paper on a student's back that said, "I am stupid." He asked the rest of the class not to tell the boy, and so entailed a joke among the classmates that stayed a secret from the student throughout the day. Shortly afterwards, mathematics class started and their professor wrote a question on the board. The question was so difficult that no one was able to answer it except the boy with the sticker. This boy who had the sticker walked towards the board and solved it. The teacher asked the class to clap for him and remove the paper that was stuck on his back. The teacher then asked him, "Don't you know that there is a paper on your back and that one of your classmates put it up and the rest of them kept it a secret?" Then the teacher faced towards the rest of the class and said, "Let me tell you two things. Throughout your life, people will put labels on your back with many negative things written on it to stop your progress." The teacher continued, pointing to the boy who had the sticker on his back and said, "If he had known about this paper, he would not have gotten up to answer this question. All you have to do in life is to ignore the labels people give you and use every chance you have to progress, learn, and improve yourself." Secondly, it is clear that he does not have any loyal friends amongst you, all to tell him about the paper and to remove it. It does not matter how many friends you have. It is the loyalty between you and your friends that matter. If you don't have friends who can defend you behind your back, who can watch over you, protect you, and who genuinely care about you, you are better off alone. Now said the professor to the person placing the label, "The negative word that you said against someone, your word may cause a lifetime's worth of damage to someone. Don't place tags on people that will destroy someone when it will not benefit you also in any way." In life, let's not judge people. If we cannot motivate someone, let's not demotivate someone also. If we cannot bring a smile on someone's face, let us not be a reason to bring tears. If we are not a reason for someone's happiness, let's not be a reason for someone's depression. If we cannot become a shield for someone, let's not become that sword which can destroy someone. Thanks for listening to today's message. I hope you have liked this message. Thank you.